Hello and welcome to this 10-minute morning Qi Gong routine for beginners. My name is Kasim and I will be guiding you today. Let's begin. Place both hands in front of the stomach and gently start to roll the neck. Do this slowly and steadily at your own pace, no rush. Gently breathe in and out through the nose and take your own time. It is very important to take our time in relaxing the neck because that's where a lot of our tension gets stored in the body. Use a slow-paced activity to restore balance and calm into your body. Now roll the neck the other way. Take your time. Do this slowly and steadily at your own pace, no rush. Excellent. Next activity is to warm up and loosen the wrists just like so. Now time to relax the elbow muscles. Breathe in as you draw your hands inwards and breathe out as you push outwards. Breathe in through the nose and breathe out through the mouth for maximum relaxation. Now time to loosen the chest muscles. Do it just like so. Now time for shoulder rotations. Again, these are sensitive points, so make sure you do these actions slowly. Now do the other arm. Slowly loosening up the joints, slowly warming up the muscles. Everything is intentional in these exercises. Now rotate one hand forwards and the other hand backwards. Do this simultaneously. This helps waken up the brain. And now in the opposite direction. Now time for chest expansion. Do this exercise just like so. This helps us expand the muscles and allows us to breathe more easily. Breathe in, breathe out. Now time to rotate the waist about the spinal axis. Do this gently at your own pace. Now time for some gentle tapping on the abdomen and the kidney area. This exercise helps improve digestion and wakes up the kidneys. These are subtle but yet powerful movements for restoring energy and restoring balance. Enjoy this exercise as you go along. Next, some gentle tapping on the kidneys again and on the neck. Tapping on the neck awakens the nerves. Remember to tap gently. Now for some hula hoops. Place your hands on your waist and rotate slowly. This gentle action helps massage all the internal organs in the abdomen area. Now do the rotation in the opposite direction. Slow and steady wins the race. Now some friction exercises for some tactile sensations. Rub your hands firmly and massage the arms. Rub your hands and enjoy this exercise. Now loosen the limbs and the upper body. Shake off all the excess nervous energy. Next up, some knee rotations. Knees can be very delicate, so please do this very carefully and slowly at your own pace. And now the opposite direction. Always remember to smile and be positive. Now some ankle rotations to loosen up the ankles. This way we loosen up all the joints in the body. Finally, if your body permits, do some gentle bouncing just like so. Loosen up the joints, rotate all the body, and enjoy this. This exercise primes and wakens up the body. You are now ready. If you enjoyed this Qigong routine, please like, comment, or subscribe. I'd love to hear from you. My name is Kasim. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.